Got a Wayne right there.
What's happening, my name? We up in South Africa. Y'all chill. Y'all here, man.
Yeah, you're in South Africa, homie.
Saying Africa, you know what I'm talking about? Cape Town, man. Good.
Yeah.
Man.
Wayne right, y'all. It's going down. It's going
It must be in the middle, man.
Yeah.
By the steering wheel. Hand on the steering wheel.
I'm next.
Okay, one.
Actually driving right now. I'm driving this yacht right now. I'm South Africa. I'm driving. And I'm headed towards. I don't want to head towards. The pleasure is driving the ship right now. I'm driving. As you see me driving right there. Down there. Mike will take over. I don't know where I'm going, but Mike will take over the wheel. We'll take over the wheel, Mike.
We're going over here to
Clifton.
Table Mountain over here.
Clifton.
Yeah, Clifton. Then we're gonna go to Table Mountain next.
Okay.
I'm gonna take P. Others with me.
Yeah.
I got my crew with me. We all together.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you in a straight line, man?
Yes, sir.
No whales?
No way. Let me see. No, ain't no whales out there.
No sharks? Just spot the mermaids.
That's it.
Ship. Ship. Okay, let's see you guys.
What you doing? What you drinking?
Yeah.
Traveling for Christmas.
Going down. Traveling the whole world.
Yeah. Africa.
Man, Ron, you missed out, Ron. You missed out, Ron. You missed out, man. What's up, man? You know, flip on flip.
Flip on flip.
Flip on flip.
What it do?
Flip on
Bam.
flip.
And you know that.
Oh, your fingers in the lens.
Oh my gosh.
Your fingers on the
Jeremy.
lens.
Oh.
Solid, let me take your hand. What up, bro?
I need to be in your next video, you know what I'm saying? So
I'm about to jump in that ocean.
we need to hook that up.
Alright, okay. See, I see what I can do.
You know, I can act like I'm all into you and stuff like that.
I'm gonna jump into the ocean real quick. What I'm gonna do?
He ain't gonna do that. He's scared of water.
Hold this camera. I'm going this way too.
Yeah, right. No.
So from which part in the USA are you?
I'm from California. Well, from Kansas, really. I'm from Kansas. My second home is California.
Oh yeah, great.
Yeah. So
people.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
So I think in the USA it's basically the same. No.
Yeah.
The same, eh?
The same. Yes.
Yeah. So it's basically the same. Yeah.
Okay. Like South Africa, you get like a lot of different cultures of people.
Oh yes. Like well, I'm from Namibia.
Okay.
But in South Africa,
Right.
I'm called the colored.
Oh yeah. I got you.
Colored. Where he would be. Herero. He's a herero.
Okay.
In his culture again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like in America, I'm black and white and
Yes.
Spanish, Mexican.
No, that's exactly how you get it here.
Okay.